In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customers in Xero. This process is quick and easy, and in just 5 minutes, you'll be ready to manage your customer relationships effectively using Xero accounting software. Let's dive right into the step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once there, you'll see the familiar blue screen prompting you to log in. Clicking on the login button will bring you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address and password associated with your Xero account. Be sure to double check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login issues. After you're all set, click on Login again to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top navigation bar and find the Contacts tab. Clicking on Contacts will present you with several options, but for this setup we are interested in Customers. Click on Customers and you'll be directed to a page specifically for managing your customer accounts. Here, you'll see a button labeled New Contact in a prominent position. By clicking on New Contact, you'll be taken to a form where you can input the details of your new customer. Here's where you'll start filling in all the relevant customer information. Make sure you have the customer's company name, primary person's details, and any other pertinent contact information handy to fill out the form accurately. As you scroll down through the form, you'll also notice sections for business and address information. These are crucial for keeping your records organized, so ensure the details you enter are current and precise. It's always a good idea to double check that information during this stage because this data will be used for any future correspondence and record keeping. Continuing down the list, you must enter any financial details such as credit terms or agreed pricing. Keeping these financial particulars in order within Xero can help smooth financial operations later on. Also, there's a section for tax details, which is especially important if you'll need to generate tax compliant invoices or reports. Be sure to fill this out according to your customer's tax profile. You'll also find sections for sales and purchase defaults. These settings can significantly simplify your transactions with the customer by automatically applying specific rules or accounts for sales and purchases. Adjust these settings to fit the business relationship you have with this customer. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary details and reviewed them for accuracy, look for the Save and Close button at the bottom. Clicking this will finalize the creation of your new customer profile in Xero, ensuring that all your information is saved and ready for future transactions. And there you have it. This straightforward process ensures that you have all the necessary customer information right at your fingertips in Xero, enabling more efficient and organized customer relationship management. Remember, keeping your customer data up to date and accurate will enhance your business's reliability and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for more tutorials.